Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix not eligible for migration when you try to migrate your GTA Online account. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up Rockstar Launcher. Then you just need to completely sign out from Rockstar Launcher here from your account. Then open up Task Manager. Then you just need to close all the tasks that is related to Rockstar and Social Club. And after that, restart your computer, log in with a Rockstar and look if the problem, log into your account and look if the problem persists or not. Other thing that you can do here, you need to check that Rockstar server status is not offline. So you just need to open a browser, then you just need to look for Rockstar server status and press on the first link here, and then you need to look if the Rockstar Games Launcher cloud services is fully working. If it's fully working, we can proceed with other steps. Also, you need to make sure that your previous GTA 5 online characters was linked to the same account. So all you need to do here is to go to rockstargames.com, then log into your account, then press on your profile icon here, then go to account, then settings, and then go to linked accounts and make sure that your account is linked to, for example, same Steam account or same PlayStation account. So you need to make sure to do that. Also, the next thing that you can be why you simply cannot migrate your account is simply because previously if you was banned or something along these lines. So because the GTA 5 just rolled out new anti-cheat program. So simply if you previously got banned or flagged by cheating or something along these lines, basically it can be the reason why you cannot transfer your account. But if it's not the reason, the last thing that I suggest to do here is to contact a customer support. And to do so, you just need to go to support.rockstargames.com, log into your account that you're having problems with. Then you need to select GTA 5. Then you just need to select online play, select GTA 5 migration, and then select the platform and press contact us. And you just need to describe that you cannot access to migration services, and also you can attach some files or something like that. Maybe tell them that you never got banned, you only use modded account or something along these lines, and then you just need to submit a ticket and wait for their response. So yeah, that's basically it, what I wanted to show you. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.